Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a mukbang again.
Why you black my face?
I don't eat. Let's put it on the side, cause yeah. So
today we have Chinese.
Yeah, today we have Chinese food. I've been seeing the request that we should do a Chinese food mukbang, so we did.
It's not the like.
What would I say? It's not like Chinese like oh you have wonton soup and all of that. We're not like big on Chinese like that, but like, you know, Jamaican Chinese. Went to a little Chinese restaurant and stuff.
I like a cook shop.
Oh, and we bought like
Orange
juice,
splash.
orange splash. So shake well chilled.
Yeah, tell me when that is fresh.
That's refreshing. So what we get here? Yeah, so they can see the food.
I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten since morning.
So yeah. You might even get them pepper machine and make sure put pepper on it, you know. So this is mala chicken and noodles with some veggies on the side. Their mala chicken with noodles is so good.
So good.
Oh, delicious.
You wanna know, so we have to take a couple bites first, right?
This tastes so good. First question is what's your biggest turn off in a guy?
Bad breath, bad teeth, green arm, dirty toenails and fingernails. Just dirty
Right.
overall.
Let's just say personality wise.
Talks too much. Like,
Know it all.
yeah, know it all. Jesus Christ,
I heard
man.
people go,
No, like, let me school you. Let me educate you on something. Let me let you know what
you're
is
not
going
giving
on.
a room for talk. Or,
No, they're like,
Yeah, but let me tell you how it really
yeah. I'm gonna tell you something about life. Oh Lord.
Me not live life too. Me don't know something about that.
Like, can we both just, you know, keep it on a level and like share our knowledge, but don't try to dominate, you know?
People will not understand like personal space. Like they don't know like when to back off. You know, like people are too clingy. Like there is a line between flirting and harassment. Okay.
What is your turn off? You never say hello, I'm gonna get a list, you know.
I just didn't know it all.
That alone? Wait, that alone?
No, but
what
that's
else?
what I
No.
can't think of right now.
What about men?
We're too crave. How hard is it to keep a relationship private as you are a well-known person? Alright, it's
that
I'm keeping it private, not a secret. Because the person said, as I'm a well-known person, meaning like if people would see me out on the road, I mean it's not a secret, but like our relationship is private. You understand what I say?
Eh? It's not a secret, it's just private.
yeah.
So if you're there up on the road and somebody see you, it's fine. It's not a secret. It's just private. So in terms of like if something go on, if you get a gift from your significant other, or only just do something special, you know, like look, people love post up everything on social media. Oh, I got flowers.
It's not.
Oh, I got a new watch. Oh, I got a car. You know. Oh, I got a house. He bought me a whole house. You know. It's not a secret. It's just private. So yeah, that's the same with me. Like being a YouTuber, you know, so like I put what I want to put out there, and then you can't put everything up. Well, some people do put a lot out there. I wouldn't say all. I don't know the people in business, but like that just mean that you just have to respect people's boundaries and what their decisions
And
are.
everybody want to put people out there, but come and tell you something. Last night we were watching a video too, and the girl was like, when she was growing up, there was like this couple, and they were like the staple couple. Everybody look up to them because their relationship was
Relationship goals. You see that something there? Killer.
Girls would know, so like share them together and would just try like to be with him, just to be like, oh, I'm gonna take our man.
Yeah,
So, like,
because
girls
they were
are that-
idolized.
Girls are that petty.
Yes.
You post up a person and I'm like, she anyway.
And they're just having fun with it. Like them don't really want the person. Like a lot of that one. Like people can be so wicked.
Malicious.
And then him there with like the whole our friend them, all our best friend.
2 girls a week for 5 years.
For 5 years. But you see, the thing that you said that was key is like, people need to stop idolizing everything as goals. Make yourself and your situation your own goals and stop idolizing everything that you see on social media saying, oh, that's goals. Because you see somebody traveling the world, you're like, I'm just going to sit here and be a peasant. Like, don't talk about yourself or your life. I know some people just say it out of joke. But yo, the tongue is so powerful. Like,
don't run them joke over your life.
Yeah, don't do that. Like, everybody is capable of having a better tomorrow. You know, everybody, like, we're all human beings. So like, you never know what can happen, what opportunity might come your way.
Moral of the story: don't idolize nobody. And don't grudge nobody.
And that's different from being inspired by others too. Like, you can be inspired by people. You can like them, you can really want to emulate certain qualities that they have, but never wish that you have somebody else's life. God give you your life for a reason, you know? So yeah.
Somebody asked, what's your fondest memory?
You go first, I will go first.
No, I mean just answer first a while ago. You go first now.
I don't think I have like one memory that stand out that much. But true.
I have a memory where just like, you're like, damn, I'm gonna go back to the time they like.
No, we have multiple. There was like when we did have the pool. It's more like humble moments. It's not like fondest memory. You know?
My most memorable moments are moments like,
but not like them because you know most that was a favorite list. Like most of the time I have more than one.
It's like times when we just like chilling at the house and like we just like talk.
You know, so the best moments are the moments that you don't plan. Yeah, I love when we just get together and tell stories. Like just sit down and chat. Mommy, oh Lord, when mommy and Miss Malva talk and I tell one bag of story about much years ago and yeah, them something nice. I like them something there. Just
like them
humble moment. It not for always be about all the money and the flashiness and yeah. But when a time for come out, a time for come out. I got a lot of people asking me this one question. You were like, if you were stuck on an island for 3 days and could only bring 2 items, what would they be?
For 3 days.
I mean, never understand why I get so much of that question. Like, all of them never word the same way, but you know.
I carry
2 things.
I carry 1 fridge full of food and
Shami.
I 3 days. Me out there and something.
I bring the igloo, the big igloo. You can't bring 1 fridge. I mean, if you plug in a fridge, electricity going be on the island.
No, but not everything it's not gonna spoil in 3 days. I carry 1 fridge full of food and 1 tent, so I can sleep at night. I not sleep out in night open just
yeah, I definitely need food.
Get out of here.
Alright, the 2 of us gonna be together on the island. So alright, you don't bring that already. So what me I bring now, I bring water. I'm gonna bring
2,000 years later.
soap and rag are one thing, down. You can't fear them to wrap up the soap in the rag.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
But where gonna be at?
River must be there. On my island, you know. Make sure bring what you call it? Like, I'm gonna bring some source of light, something for protect yourself.
What's your favorite struggle meal?
Favorite struggle meal? I don't think this is a struggle meal anymore because it's so expensive in the supermarket these days. Corned beef and rice all day. Sometimes I mix up little sweet corn in the corned beef or in the rice. Cook it down real nice. That is definitely #1 struggle meal. Definitely.
I like mackerel and rice too.
Mackerel and rice, alright, you know, but
I like it.
can't beef hit different.
I like it. No man. The dough man I done for the meat.
Are you at eat it, you know?
Don't give more.
Don't do that. Me and buy the same food, same amount. You eat it off and I realize I don't know. Bye.
What is the most yummy thing you've ever done?
There's so many yummy moments.
You?
Yes. Just always feeling sorry for people who wouldn't, and doing things for people who wouldn't, you know, do the same for me if I was in their situation.
Nigga, yeah, man.
Yeah, like I find myself in situations so much where I help people who would not help me back if I was in the same situation.
Sips orange splash.
Yeah, I feel like that. I have multiple yummy moments. Me not gonna lie. And afterwards, I'm like, why mistakes?
Over time, I wasn't always this person. I think I like someone must start dried from. I've become such a kind person, and I will give till I don't have nothing left. And people take that for granted so easily. People take advantage of us so easily. I wish I could have just
sometimes you're in a situation where you might need, you don't need help, like you don't need help with something tangible or whatever, but you just want the person to be there or whatever, and them just
don't want to.
They're just selfish. Me can't find a better answer for you right now. That fit it perfectly. Yeah, helping people that are ungrateful, basically.
And it's not like we'll do it one time and we'll learn a lesson. Like if them come back to, we'll do it again. That's the
sense.
That's the most hurtful part about it.
You know, so me need little food yummy moment. You know, so me need somebody to follow me.
You can please just help me. You can follow me.
Nigga,
Can lend me this?
Nigga,
Somebody said, which do you prefer? Bag juice or syrup? Christmas or something?
Bag juice.
Bag juice, sis.
Bag juice. Like,
I prefer Christmas.
I can't drink one bag juice still.
Bag juice. Get your bag juice. What I say? 64, 50 left 2. Get.
Them say Christmas or summer?
Christmas, definitely. Christmas all the way, duh. One more question, cause like right now still my boss.
But somebody say we need to see couple goals soon. Love ya.
Couple goals with who? You? That's the thing what we just talk about, like.
See, I ain't know about all that now.
Okay.
Yo, social media be so malicious. Like
It be the same ones that tell you to do.
You like, I cause no one say oof go back go. You know, I be like, you know the girl on YouTube when I'm being posed.
My name is mixed up the edge and
I'm good.
there's something with social media like them and they want to see who you're dealing with so much, and like when them finally see who you're dealing with, like them get so judgmental, like
Ain't supposed to think
them want to handpick somebody for you. Like I am
but think she would have go for someone.
Yeah, that's on that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Me never have much question today. Shami had most of the questions.
And that you could even answer a question. I'm a boss a long time.
Yes, so that's pretty much a wrap for this mukbang today. It might be shorter than the rest. I'm not even sure. Just chill vibes. We just say, you know, I get Chinese food. We always say, oh, must do Chinese food mukbang. That's what we did today. It was lit. It tasted really good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, simple vibes today. No makeup or nothing like that. Just simple. Shami did a little thing, you know. Yeah, so that's basically it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual, and rude. I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.
Maybe I'll be in it, maybe not. Stay tuned until the next episode of PETITE-SUE Divinity.
Right.
Done, dada. Fire can't cool me, I burn tire. Original bad man.
It's fake kills.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me.